that is still not being confirmed on part of Enforcement Directorate. But Bhavtosh, please do stay on with us. We are going to talk about certain confidential letters that Times Now has learned. And this has been the letters to the Chief Secretary of Jharkhand that has been now found during the raids. And what is now being said that these confidential letters that were written when it comes to the rampant corruption in Rural Development Department of Jharkhand and asked them to lodge an FIR in this case. However, no action that has been taken on these letters, and instead the letters that were shared with these officers. Bhavtosh, what does it mean?
In the raids and searches that are going on in 6 places, there are some documents that have been found, and what ED or top sources are saying is that these letters were in fact written a year earlier when Virendra Kumar matter was being probed. What ED had told the state government, and particularly in the Rural Development Department, is that there is an alleged corruption that has taken place in the department, and immediately an FIR should be written. And these letter was marked confidential and top secret. But in the searches that started early in the morning, these letters and particularly some documents pertaining to the correspondence that have taken place between the ED officials and the state government and top state government officials, they have been found. So clearly some kind of a rot within the system has been detected by the Enforcement Directorate, apart from what we had broken earlier in the day in the morning. In fact, this clearly shows that there is in fact a nexus or a connivance or a cabal that is at work between the politicians and some politicians and bureaucrats and some middlemen that is at play, at least in Jharkhand. But Jharkhand, JMM as well as Congress have completely denied these charges for past 2 years. Of course, that is the political
reactions that have also been coming in. Bhavtosh, we will want to point that out as well. Let's break that story for our viewers, because this is the first reaction coming in from the Minister Alamgir Aram. He's saying that he hired Sanjeev Lal, his PA, based on his experience, and he served as his PA of 2 former ministers as well. This is a reaction that is now coming in from the Jharkhand minister.
संजीव लाल एक सरकारी मुलाजिम है, वो हमारा पीएस है, और हम लोग भी जब भी पीएस वीएस सिलेक्शन करते हैं तो अनुभव के आधार पर करते हैं। इसके पहले भी 2 मंत्री का पीएस रह चुके थे। अब बाकी अभी जो चर्चा चल रही है वो ईडी में, तो वो तो जब तक उसका निष्कर्ष नहीं आएगा तब तक उस पर कुछ टिप्पणी करना उचित नहीं।